Our entire department comes to spill school. By the end of next week, we'll have 100% of our folks to the spill school. Our department primarily responds to industrial facilities, oil refineries, chemical plants, electric generating station, massive rail yard. So we actually do site-specific training for each one of those organizations. The chemical plants have sulfur trioxide, sulfuric acid, monochloric acetic acid. Oil refinery has hydrofluoric acid. It's important that we come out here and learn how to handle those materials before we have an incident. We've reported to many incidents like this. We have hazardous materials of all types moving through all the time. So our folks go to these types of trainings every year somebody goes somewhere. So whether it's Texas A&M, Williams Industrial Extreme Fire and Hazard Control School, we go out to CERTC and do transportation incidents, rail cars, trucks, that type of stuff. We train for confined space and high angle rescue on the aircraft carrier Lexington. Refinery Terminal Fire Company is another school that we go to, so everybody goes every year. So it builds a comfort zone for them now. They know what they need to do. They've seen how it reacts. They now understand what they need to do with that product in order to mitigate it in a hurry, and that's what we need to do. It's also very high risk, very high impact to us and the community if there's a situation we need to be able to handle it and contain it on site. It's very important that we come to these. The benefit to the community is that they can go to bed at night, they can get up in the morning, and their life is not affected. If we don't take care of what's on that site and it gets off-site, then we have to send people to the hospital if it gets that far. They're not in their homes. It really interrupts their life. If you have this product anywhere in your area, you need to be here.